What if I told you that walking every day might not be the best way to stay strong after 60? In fact, 5 simple exercises approved by surgeons and backed by science can keep you stronger, more balanced, and even add years to your life. Welcome to Senior Health Guide, your trusted source for senior wellness and longevity tips. If you're over 60 and want to keep your body strong, flexible, and independent, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily senior health videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. It helps us reach more seniors who need this advice.
Exercise number 5, wall push-ups with a hold. These may look simple, but studies show wall push-ups with a hold can boost upper body strength by more than 30% in just 8 weeks. Why it matters? After 60, we naturally lose about 3% of our muscle mass each year. Upper body strength is critical for daily tasks, carrying groceries, opening jars, or catching yourself if you stumble. How to do it? Stand arm's length from a wall, place your palms flat, and slowly lean forward until your nose almost touches the wall. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then push back slowly. Benefits? Improves strength, reaction time, and balance, reducing fall risk dramatically. Now that we've strengthened the upper body, let's move on to an exercise that directly improves walking speed and mobility.
Exercise number 4 is seated leg lifts with resistance. Known to increase walking speed by 28% and stair climbing ability by 45%. Walking speed is actually called the 6th vital sign by doctors. It's one of the best predictors of overall health and longevity. How to do it? Sit on a sturdy chair, back straight. Lift one leg straight out, hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. Alternate legs. Add resistance with ankle weights or resistance bands as you progress. Benefits? Strengthens hip flexors, quadriceps, and core, essential for safe mobility. Mobility is great, but balance is just as important. That's why exercise number 3 is a game changer. Exercise number 3, standing heel raises with balance challenge. Calf strength is directly linked to independence after 60. Weak calves equal poor circulation, swelling, and a higher risk of blood clots. A major study found seniors with stronger calves were 71% less likely to need assisted living. How to do it? Stand behind a chair, rise up on your toes as high as possible, hold for 3 seconds, then lower slowly. For extra challenge, balance without touching the chair or do it on one foot. Benefits? Improves circulation, balance, and reduces fall risk. It even boosts brain health by improving blood flow to the brain. Strong legs and balance are great, but what about your ability to stand up independently? That's where exercise number 2 comes in. Exercise number 2. Modified chair squats. Sitting and standing is one of the most fundamental movements for independence. Losing this ability is often the first step toward needing daily assistance. Studies show seniors who practice chair squats actually reduce knee pain by 58%. How to do it? Stand in front of a chair, feet hip-width apart. Lower yourself slowly until your butt lightly touches the chair, then rise back up without using your arms. Start with 5 to 8 reps, build up to 20. Benefits? Strengthens glutes, thighs, core, and improves overall mobility. And now for the number 1 exercise backed by Harvard research that could actually reverse aging markers in your body. Exercise number 1. Bird dog hold progressions. Considered the single most effective exercise for seniors. Benefits: builds core strength, improves balance, protects the spine, enhances brain function, and even increases bone density. How to do it? On hands and knees, extend your right arm forward and left leg backward. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Switch sides. Progression, add pulses, longer holds, or close your eyes for extra challenge. Research shows this exercise can reduce fall risk by over 80% and even improve memory and cognitive health.
So there you have it, 5 surgeon-approved exercises that are actually more effective than walking for seniors over 60. Wall push-ups with hold for upper body strength, seated leg lifts for mobility, standing heel raises for balance and circulation, modified chair squats for independence, and bird dog progressions for total body and brain health. Remember, it's not about doing them perfectly, it's about starting where you are and progressing. Even a few minutes a day can completely transform your health and independence. You have the power to stay strong, independent, and active well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Your future self will thank you for starting today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to Senior Health Guide, and share this with a loved one who could benefit. We post new senior health tips every day. You won't want to miss what's next.